Assalamu alaikum. Pakistan Computer Bureau welcomes you to the Basic IT Training course. This course has been specifically designed for the employees of federal government as part of the Prime Minister's directive for mandatory IT training for all government employees. This course has been designed to facilitate you in learning the basics of computers and how to use some of the office automation software tools. After this course, you will be able to type letters, reports, and documents in MS Word, make spreadsheets in MS Excel for creating tables and calculating numbers, create slides for presentations in MS PowerPoint, and make small databases in MS Access. We'll also be able to use internet and read and send emails. This course consists of 7 modules. These are Module 1, Introduction to Computers, Module 2, Windows Basics, Module 3, MS Word for word processing, Module 4, MS Excel for spreadsheets, Module 5, MS PowerPoint for making presentations, Module 6, MS Access for using databases, and Module 7, Basics of using Internet and Email. The purpose of using computer-based training (CBT) learning method is to provide the participants flexibility to learn at their own pace. You can rewind the lesson and listen to it as many times as you like. This helps you in comprehending the lessons in a better way, so that you can use the software tools in your daily routine work more easily. If you have any queries after listening to this lesson on this CBT video, please raise the query after completion of practicing time for each lesson. If you are in a class having an instructor, or alternatively, you can send your query through Pakistan Computer Bureau's website for an answer. The address of the website is www.pcb.gov.pk. At the end, after listening to all the lessons in the Basic IT Training course, you will be required to take a test to evaluate what you have learned. The test will be taken online. By this I mean you will be asked questions by the computer, and you will be providing answers through the keyboard or by clicking the mouse. The passing marks for the test are 50%. The test will be conducted by National Testing Services (NTS). Thank you and good luck.